Symptoms of omega-3 deficiency and treatment. Symptoms of omega-3 deficiency: depression, inflammation and arthritis, weight gain, heart disease, difficulty learning, unhealthy skin, memory loss, inhibited immune system functions, fatigue, eyesight problems. Omega-3 deficiency treatment. 21st century fish oil. Description: heart health support, 300 mg. Dietary supplement, gluten-free, guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. EPA and DHA are important omega-3 fatty acids that supports cardiovascular health as well as being important components of the cells in the body. 21st century fish oil contains high-quality molecularly distilled fish oil concentrate. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement, adults take 1 softgel with any meal, up to 3 times daily or as directed by a healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Individual results may vary. Other ingredients: fish body oil, gelatin, glycerin, purified water, refined soybean oil, mixed tocopherols. Contains soy and fish, anchovy, cod, herring, mackerel, salmon, sardine, sprat. No added sugar, salt, yeast, artificial flavors or colors. Warnings: consult a healthcare provider prior to use if pregnant, nursing, on medications, have a medical condition or are planning a medical procedure. Stop use and contact a physician if adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broken. Store at room temperature. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.